This is the Bushnell Voyager, grandchild of the Astroscan 2001. I'm using it in the daylight on the moon, and I can see the picture quality is really good compared to the Astroscan itself. I think the image we can get from this is really as good or even better. Okay, this is the view through the Bushnell telescope, Bushnell Voyager telescope. I must say that I'm really surprised by the quality of the image. I'm using a tiny one camera just to take some pictures, take videos. Not the best camera for this kind of thing, but anyway, that's what I have. I'm using it. Clouds are coming and going and passing through the field of view. I'll try to zoom in if I can. I'm just holding the camera at the lens, nothing more than this. I'm using a Bushnell Voyager with a Nirvana 18mm or 17mm SkyWatcher Nirvana eyepiece. I have to move the Bushnell a little bit from the field of view. I hope I've been able to focus this, and you can see something as much as I can see. The lens of the tiny one has to be adjusted by hand, so it's not automatic. But the view with the normal eye as you look is very sharp.